Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail, and this is a quick and easy recipe. I'm gonna show you guys how to make the ultimate chili cheese burrito. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's do a quick rundown, and we're gonna start back here with our flour tortillas. I think these are the 10-inch or 8-inch, I'm not sure. Whatever you choose is your preference, totally up to you. Back here we have our chili. Now I'm using canned chili just to make it quick. Now you can make your own chili if you want to. That's totally up to you also. We use some cheddar cheese. We got some cooked rice here. This rice is already cooked. We have onions here, cumin, sour cream. We have a little taco seasoning here. You know we're gonna add those jalapenos just to spice it up, but it is optional. Some olive oil, onion powder, and we have some chopped garlic here. That's all you need. Let's jump into it. All right, to get started, we're gonna add our chili here to a pan. Now guys, if you wanna put this in the microwave, you could do so also, but the microwave to me kind of dries it out too fast, and I don't want it to be dried out. So I'm gonna just heat it just enough to warm the chili. And I'm also gonna add my garlic right here. And I'm just gonna get that mixed in like this. And I'm gonna do this for maybe a couple of minutes, just enough to get that baby warm. You can also thin that baby out. If you wanna thin it out a little bit, it's totally up to you. You can add a little water or some beef broth, but you don't want it too soupy because it could tear your burrito. Once you see it start bubbling right here, then you know that it's warmed through. And from there, I'm just gonna turn the heat off. I'm gonna move this aside. I'm gonna add it to a bowl, and we're gonna continue. All right, to get started, we're gonna take our cheese, and we're gonna just add it to a slightly larger bowl. Probably should have put that in there in the beginning. Save me, well, I'm not gonna say save me dishes to wash, because I don't wash the dishes, but say the person who's washing the dishes. We're gonna come behind that with our onion powder, our cumin, and our taco seasoning. And we're just gonna get this baby mixed up. And I know you're saying, why are you doing that? This is gonna enhance the flavor of the cheese. Since it's canned chili, it already has that flavor. And this is just gonna enhance the flavor of the cheese, man, I'm telling you. Just like that, we're gonna sit this aside and let's move over to our cooktop. All right, in a bigger pan, over medium heat, we're gonna heat up some olive oil. I'm gonna get this spread around the pan like that. So we're gonna warm our tortillas. In this step, we're gonna add one tortilla here, and we're gonna let it sit there for 30 seconds. We want these babies to be pliable, but not crispy. All right, after 30 seconds, we're gonna turn this baby over. See how that baby is right there, how flexible it is? We're gonna sit this aside, and we're gonna do this for the remaining 3, one at a time. All right, guys, so we're finishing up our last flour tortilla. As you can see, this is how we want these babies to look. We're gonna sit that aside. Now let's move over to our cutting board to start building out our burritos. Now it's time to start building our burrito. We're gonna add about 3 tablespoons of our chili right here. And I kind of already divided it just so everything can be even and pretty much the same size like that. We're gonna come across that with about 1.5 tablespoons of our rice. Then our cheese. This is like 1/4 of a cup of cheese. Of course, we had a cup total. So divide that into 4. Got about 1/4 of a cup of cheese. Add our onions. And if you're into jalapenos, we're gonna add those babies there. Now here comes the exciting part, and that's to fold that baby. So typically what you do is you grab both ends like that, and then you fold the bottom half of it up. Fold like that. Then you get that baby tucked in, and you continue to fold it up like this. Like I said, I'm not a professional burrito roller, but baby, I make it work. Like I told you before, I do not work in Chipotle, but that's still a perfect burrito to me. All right, so I'm gonna do the rest of them. I'm gonna sit this on the side, do the rest of them, and we're gonna come back. All right, so now that we have all our burritos rolled up, we're gonna head back over to our cooktop. Now you can eat them like this if you want to, but I like to warm mine and get that cheese melted so it's really gooey and ooey. So now we're gonna heat up our cooktop over medium heat. We're gonna get these babies removed out of here or from here, add them to our warming rack. We're gonna turn off our heat, head over to our cutting board so we get into the final presentation and you know the most famous part of the show, quality control. All right, so this is what we have. We have our burritos right here. Take a look at that. Not the perfect fold, but hey, who cares? So let's go ahead and get these babies plated up so we can jump into quality control. And guys, there you have it. The ultimate chili cheese burrito. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna go ahead and jump into quality control so we can do a taste test. All right, so you already know, this is the best part of the show, quality control. And we bring these groceries up to the front of the congregation. Man, look at that baby there. Woo. I'm gonna take that one right off the top, right there. Look at that one there. Ooh, man. We ain't gonna lose that bean. We ain't gonna lose that bean. We ain't gonna lose it. All right, let's go ahead and do a quick taste test. Let's grab that bean first. Oh man. Oh man. I think I'm giving Taco Bell a run for their money, and I just bit into a jalapeno. Oh man. God, quick and easy. Definitely you can make this for a quick lunch and be back on the road. So, you already know who this is. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, him not a chef. Him just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace.